Hey everyone, welcome back. This is going to be another tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to make your like videos private on TikTok. So if that sounds helpful, keep watching this video till the end and let's get started without any further ado. Firstly, open up the app of TikTok. After you land on the home screen of TikTok, you'll need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Now here you could see multiple sections. If you tap on this heart icon, here it will show you all the videos that you've liked. So by default, this will be visible to other people visiting your profile. You can easily make it private by managing a few settings. You can tap on the hamburger menu on the top right of the screen and tap on settings and privacy. Now on the first, you'll see a section of account, and under account you can tap on privacy. From here you can scroll down until you see a section of liked videos, which is this one. Currently it is selected to everyone, which means everyone who visits your profile can easily view your liked videos. Now to simply make it private, you can switch it to only me. And after you toggle that setting on, now your liked videos will be private, which means other people won't be able to view your liked videos on TikTok. If you guys like this video, do subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.